Here's how to use graphite as a base sketch layer before adding charcoal on top for your work. There are 7 steps. Follow me along. Number 1. Start with a clean drawing surface or paper suitable for mixed media. I'll talk more about papers in a separate video. Number 2. Begin by lightly sketching the block-in, basic outlines, and shapes of your subject using a graphite pencil. Use a lighter graphite pencil such as an HB or 2H to create light lines that are easy to erase or blend later. Number 3. Once you have the basic structure in place, gradually build up the details and shading using the graphite pencil. Continue using it lightly and use different pressure levels to vary the value and create a sense of depth in your work. Number 4. After completing the graphite sketch, take a charcoal stick such as vine or charcoal pencil, preferably a soft grade. Start applying the charcoal on top of the graphite areas. Use a light touch at first to prevent smudging or overpowering the graphite too soon. Number 5. Gradually build up the layers of charcoal, adjusting the darkness and value as needed. Pay attention to the areas that require more shadow or depth and use a softer charcoal pencil for darker tones. Use compressed charcoal if necessary and last resort. Number 6. To blend the graphite and charcoal together and create a seamless transition. Here are several tools to try. Use a blending stump, tortillon, soft brush, soft cloth, or a soft tissue paper. Use fingers if it's safe to do so. Gently smudge and blend the 2 mediums where necessary to achieve the desired effect. Number 7. Continue refining the drawing by alternating between graphite and charcoal, adding details, and adjusting the values until you achieve the final result. Keep in mind to work patiently, build up the layers gradually, and keep experimenting with different techniques to find your preferred style and level of realism. Practice will help you develop a better understanding of how graphite and charcoal interact and how to achieve the desired effects in your drawings. If you like this, please share around and subscribe on Patreon to learn more about materials and upcoming tips.